Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Here we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is city creation. In this, one of the person told that basically, if you are telling like this basically, then who is basically your God basically? Then basically who is Malay? One of the person told that Sri Ayyappa God, right? Basically, then he told that yes, na, Ayyappa God is there, na, basically. Ayyappa God is there basically. Then Sunilar Nair connected to Ayyappa God basically. Ayyappa temple basically. That is this Shabrimala basically. Then it was that yes, no, basically this is Ayyappa family basically. This is Swami Ayyappa basically. Sri Swami Sarmi Swami Ayyappa temple basically. See, somebody visited also. See, basically things basically going to connect. See, basically just. Then he told that basically this Ayyappa god basically might be coming to Earth planet also basically at periodically basically. Then it was one of the person told that might be possible, but 100% basically we can't say basically. Whenever the Ayyappa god basically see that he is very dangerous blood cells basically, then basically he might be come basically. Then he told that might possible basically. He might be connected with the Sri Hanuman family. He might be connected with Sri Ram family, or he might be connected with Sri Krishna family, because all are one na, basically. That's why. Then it was that might be possible here basically. Might be possible basically, but not 100% sure basically. That means this everything basically, this Hitler group, this Vidyagon school basically, then this group, this everything, University of Oxford, set of words basically. So one of the person told that these words basically are Oxford words basically, right? So this Ayyappa god words basically. So one of the person told that basically Sri Ayyappa god basically, right? That is basically god of the Malayalis basically. Then he told that yes basically. So whenever the birth is going to happen of any one person basically, for example you got birth basically. I will take my example. I got birth basically. How basically? From which words basically? That basically your God is who is your God basically? That is Sri Ayyappa God. That means the Ayyappa God basically might be knowing that basically from which word basically you got the birth basically. Then he told that yes, you are. So the Ayyappa God only basically might be knowing that basically from which word basically you will die. Because the creator only basically can kill you basically. Because they only have the rights basically. They only have the each and every equipments basically. That is the set of words basically where basically in which satellite basically is there, in which from which for example I will take one example. I will take one live example basically, that would be fine basically. Assume that one of the person told that whenever Sunilar Nair basically got the birth, he basically got the birth from 3,75,000 crore planets. That time basically 3,75,000 basically was set of words basically, but that was the universe level language basically. Then he told that yes basically, that was universal language, and which basically connected from satellites. Then he told that yes basically. Then basically like this basically he got the word set of words. Then he told that yes set of words basically got the word. Then he told that basically how you are going to die. Then basically one of the person told that basically the Ayyappa group basically at the satellite group basically, they only basically might be knowing. They only basically might be knowing that basically how Sunila Nair is going to die, because these all are the words basically in the satellite group basically. In satellite group basically we have dumped this word basically. On the basis of these words basically he actually got the birth. So we have the list of that word also basically which will kill that particular person basically. Then he told that yes basically. So which are the satellite basically from the death words basically are going to come. That basically need to check basically. So like this basically here basically I explained that basically what is the death of word and how basically the birth of word basically are. So this basically group also got some set of words basically. This god group also basically got set of words basically, that are the set of cities, set of planets, set of this basically. So they only have the authority to touch his each and every body parts, to kill that particular person basically. Then one of the person asked the question basically, assume that basically nobody is helping you basically. Then you told that yes basically. Even Ayyappa God group basically are not helping basically, who is in Shabrimala, this or nobody is helping you basically. Yes basically nobody is helping. Then basically he told that basically yes basically nobody is helping. Now basically what you will do? Then one other person told that why don't you change the caste basically? Go to Christian. Then one other person told that bhai, Christian Jesus Christ basically comes in the Asia basically. Whenever the land basically is getting separate in 11 parts basically, then you will go to that Christian card basically, where basically God basically comes to the Asia land basically. Then he told that yes here basically you are correct. The God family itself basically coming to the Asia land when the planet basically gets when the land is getting divided. You will go to that caste basically. Then he told that yes here basically you are correct. Then basically one of the person told yeah, basically which caste I should go here basically. In which caste I should go basically. Then one of the person told that why don't you go to the Muslim caste basically. Then he told that Muslim caste is there basically, but they are also like that only basically. They are also like that only basically. Then one of the person told that yeah. Then why don't you she leave the planet basically? Why in that is basically the Mars planet. But for that basically you require the source basically. You require the there basically God does not exist basically. But that is also created from Earth planet only. Arey, yes, here basically. You are correct. Then he told that yes, here basically you are correct basically. You are correct. Then one of the person told that can we do something basically? What something basically? Tell basically what is that something basically? Uh, you are not getting job. Reason is this group. Then he told no basically I don't know him basically. How basically if he how basically I can know him basically? Then he told that yes, yeah, basically how you can because his age is basically 135 basically. How basically I can know basically? Then he told that yes, yeah, basically how basically you can know basically him basically? Then he told that yes, basically that means basically he don't know you basically. Then one of the person told that basically Vidya Kunj person basically it's basically Navsari. Then basically one of the person told that Navsari basically is connected with this group basically. That means these groups are creating problem basically. Then basically one of the person told that no yeah basically this group basically how they can create problem because I don't know anyone basically in this group basically. I have few friends basically in Vidyakon school, but then basically I shifted to government school. Like this basically how I can know basically. Then it told that then basically because this group basically are connected with the TCS group. That is the biggest group basically. Then he told that yes basically. And history of the world says that basically whatever things basically you are in front and basically that all are wrong. That all are basically wrong. Then basically one of the person told that basically that means this thing basically which is displayed basically that is 85 age, born in Mumbai, education in Harvard Business School basically. That is Harvard Business School. That means that need to check basically Harvard University. In next video basically we are going to see.